a house that Jack built, y'all. Remember this house? This was the land that he worked by hand.